What's up guys, Tommy here from AZ Motorsport. We just finished installing a full AZM exhaust and AZM Catless downpipes on this brand new 2026 Audi RS3. It's the Y8 generation. It has our valve control system. So if we get a bit closer here, we can hear the difference. This is valve closed. And this is valves open. So there's a pretty big difference. You have the best of both worlds. Okay, now let's take this thing on the road and see how it drives with the valves open versus closed.